Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm fine, thanks.
I'm Noelle. What's your name?
My name is Tom.
It's nice to meet you, Tom.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student.
How old are you?
I am 20. How old are you?
I am 24. Where do you go to school?
I go to Pine Creek Community College.
What are you studying?
I am studying psychology.
That is so interesting. What do you want to do with it?
I want to be a marriage counselor. What do you do?
I just graduated. My teacher says I am the best student. Now I have a master's degree in biology.
Wow, that's great. What do you want to do now?
Can you show me the city? I am new here.
You'll love what I have to show you. So, yes, I can show you around.
I can't wait to see everything you've got.
I work as a waitress until school starts. The cafe I work at has great coffee. Let's go there.
Why did you move here?
I want a teaching job. I love to teach science.
Wow, you are so smart.